Hello friends, I am Alexander Kuyava, new media artist, creative content producer and retired VJ. I am glad to welcome you to my new educational and such a long-awaited project called Frontskill. In this video, I want to tell you what benefits, advantages, and benefits you can get if you continue to be a member of this project. But let's talk about the story first. Why did I decide to create this project and where should we go as a result? 10 years ago, when our company started creating creative content for the show business industry, more and more clients asked me to create some kind of instruction, some kind of tutorials that would help them use this content more effectively. And in 10 years, I have already developed such a large base of experience and material that it can be transformed into a separate project, which will be called Frontskill. Therefore, my 10 years of experience, which is beautifully compressed and packed into a video course, will be available for you on the Frontskill website. The second subjective reason is that I want all our students, clients who join the Frontskill community in our family, so that they become my partners in the future, so that our experience, which they will use in themselves, will lead to the fact that their revenue will grow, and then, when they have more money, so that there is, let's say, a sphere of people with whom we can invest together in larger projects, more large-scale projects. For example, not only to create some small online stock, but on the contrary, to make some big video films, invest in super cool light installations, or even build your own photo park, or make a big festival. It takes money, and it takes people who have money, but if, for example, I will not be alone, but there will be many more like me who can. I think we can make a lot of money together. So, it was for objective reasons. Let's see why the project is called Frontskill, what is its positioning, branding, and so on. That is, front from the word front view, that is, the view from the front, what you see from the front. And skill is a skill, what you can learn, teach, and so on. So, Frontskill. If you, for example, go to any concert, you will have a view from the front. Here, as a viewer, you will see the scene, video installation, lighting design, artist, and so on. At the same time, artists, directors, and the team that makes the whole festival and the concert, as always, are behind the scenes. People who make 80% of the shows are behind the scenes. Behind the scenes, figuratively speaking, they sit in a special place and look at the stage in front. But that's not the point. The situation is that people who create shows are in the shadow of the show itself. Therefore, the slogan of our Frontskill project is called Perform in Front, Stay in the Shade. And I will say from my own experience that such an approach not only to work, but to life, brings a lot of interesting advantages that pour into other spheres of our being. Moreover, our being becomes lighter and happier. But more on that later. Let's take another example. An artist, for example, who is exhibited in a gallery. He came, he hung his painting, and he left. He is not there. He is considered transcendent in relation to his painting, and the painting is transcendent in relation to him. That is, he performs on the front, another viewer sees it, but at the same time, half a year or 3 months after the exhibition takes place. The artist is not present every day, he is in the shadow. We will do this. On the one hand, we will create creative content, create art. On the other hand, we will use this content to create cool installations, video shows, and so on. And thirdly, we will learn to promote all this, make promotions and sell. And not only locally, but generally through the internet to the whole world. There will be 3 main directions. 1. Creative industry. 2. New media art. 3. Entertainment, show business, and so on. Where will it all be located? 1. Promo videos about courses and free guides will be on the Frontskill YouTube channel. Tutoring videos, paid books, and so on will be on the website frontskill.com. And personal information from me, tutoring and mentoring will be on my personal Instagram, Alexander Kuyava. I'm waiting for you all, I hug you all and see you then. Bye bye.